So big news. A lot of people, because they know I'm affiliated with Uber, the ride-sharing company, kind of become a meme, actually. How many times I mentioned it was pretty funny.
A little bit.
Did you know Jason was an early investor in Uber? They're like, no. And they're like, oh, well, when you meet him, you'll know in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's like your version of being vegan.
Yeah, exactly.
He'll let you know. Yeah.
So
CrossFit vegan Uber angel investment.
Absolutely. So, and I'm still long the company. I have exposure to everything else. I got exposure to Waymo, I got exposure to Tesla, I got exposure to everything. So Volkswagen is one of the top car makers in the world. They came out with an incredible car. It's not the car for me, a Volkswagen bus right now, but because we have a Suburban, which is like the largest SUV you can have. So when we have like a big family trip with a lot of bags, like when we're going to Tahoe, when we used to go to Tahoe from California, but the bus is so cute and it's all EV. And I've been looking at it, I'm like, it's a very cute car. And it also has 7 seats, 7-seat configuration, 4 captain's chairs in the back row. So like Slate, it's a bit of a platform and they have self-driving technology. Uber has a network. Volkswagen, tell me how many cars they produce. I think I remember hearing top 5 producer in the world, maybe even top 3. I'm not sure if that's true, but the Volkswagen Bug, Cabriolet, and they have other brands, I think, under their label.
Wow.
They make a lot
looks
of
like
cars.
number 2. It looks like in 2024, Toyota number 1, Volkswagen number 2, Hyundai 3, GM 4.
Yeah, so they're very, very large global auto manufacturer. Like if you go to South America, you go to Africa, like they're making stuff everywhere. And I don't know what all their labels are, but they got a big push here. They're going to do robo-taxis with Uber. I believe it's an exclusive, but even if it's not, I had said earlier, like, listen, there's like 20 people working on self-driving. Let's assume half get there. Now you got 10 people get there. Now, what time frame do the 10 people get there? Well, Waymo's already there at a very high price. So Waymo's in the game. Tesla's almost there, imminently there. And then you have WeRide, you have Zoox, right? So you've got arguably 3 or 4 people, like one really going for it, and then maybe 3 with operators or something. So we're on the cusp of this. It's going to be a long, 10-year rollout. But Volkswagen has a unique ability to produce a lot of cars if they're the number 2 car maker. And Uber has the largest ride-sharing network. This is incredible news for Uber. Uber's really up on the news. I believe of the 20 people trying to do self-driving, half of them will get it done in the same, let me pick a number, 12 months.
Okay.
The same 18 months. Let's say 18 months. I'll be a little generous here. I believe 10 companies in the next 18 months will have these products on the road. And in fact, towards the end of that 18 months, without a safety driver, with just a remote watch driver in limited capacity, limited zone, geofenced zones, and it's going to be awesome.